friends ang file sang tak na nilene kaisa Tripura police ni tege notification kaisa katal nokala hatini hingke mono nai nilene nirok Tripura police ni website hake nirok mo hake nungai hingke orda kaisa pdf nokala orda notification hingke borongno nirok download hake nai nema hake ane video ni description link rojak tongo orsa pan nirok hake nai ledi hingke nirok ani channel ko talko subscribe kaje ko tonke subscribe kage to ke notification ni rona te bro itong mangan bage hinge te ni friends ono bus kisa share kage bro no bus share laiti hege bro bo apply ke manate reference of kari sing nai lechne amo ke kaisa boni notification amo ne post ni bumung henge special executive tak volunteer hai ta Tripura police ni bisingo under ma khainai hinge manle honorarium manai 11000 per month ke manai ke eligible ro hinge busang nangai bo herok nai le ni hinge ning Tripura ni ne permanent resident ngani nangga he should be a permanent resident of Tripura hero sakon ke Tripura ni ne ngani nangai bo haita hinge minimum and maximum age limit on the applicant should be 21 ke 21 is meaning 45 years or special relaxation SCST ring bagi relaxation tongnai hingke 5 years or hangke ni rok apply ke manai ta 21 is meaning relaxation sara hangke blena 21 is meaning 45 sara relaxation ST ni bagi 45 hangke 50 years or hangke ni rok apply ke manai bo hai hingke friends active na lene me minimum educational qualification pusuk nangnai hingke class 10 pass hingke ni rok apply ke manai hingke ni rok ni should be physically good health and mentally fit ni rok ni pesak rok sorry ok thik tongani nangai fit ke hingke should not have any criminal record against him or in any police station or having no adverse report regarding antecedent or jaga ni rok ni police of case rok tongyang gani nangai bo haita hingke police case kana rok hangke ni rok apply khaimia kanai hingke amani duration tabo busani bagi najangnai hingke 3 bosorni bagi najangnai hingke gender ro hingke there is no gender restriction on applications ni rok sala phangtang buri phangtang jotono apply khaimanai or jaga hingke tabo selection procedure ro hingke eligible and willing candidate will apply in the prescribed format along with supporting document as mentioned therein to the local police station brok selection procedure hingke ni supporting document ni rok romani pore hingke te ni rok nijeni local police station thangai brok na select ana mahaita or jaga ni ko document ok maronai hingke the filling document shall be submitted with the applications by each applicant as proof of eligibility of each insistment criteria ni rok jaga ni age mo high proof ok ta ni oni document ok bahai rok lai ke Aadhaar card rok ke birth certificate ok bahai rok maranai Aadhaar card hai ke isko Aadhaar card ko check pan maranai ke birth certificate hai ke school living certificate hai ke ni school living certificate kering lah hangke admit card madhyami ni no rodi bahai ta ke te kaisa medical fitness certificate mo tongani nanai government medical officer ni pa bo bai boni ke nagani nangnai ta okay at least copy of school living certificate or attested copy of mark sheet of the school hai ke college as a proof of educational qualification tang ni rone living certificate kering lah school certificate kering lah ke college ni rawai pan engge boita engge attested khage ni rone document signature ni rone soi rokai maronai document mai xerox copy rogo friends oni rogo or jaga hite kaise subject ono to claim the benefit of age relaxation SCST candidate should submit SCST certificate issued by authorized government authority tani rogo age relaxation nagani musula hangke SCST ngai tong hangke ni rogo ST certificate rodi boita the candidate should be examined for assessing their suitability for the post of on the basis of the following criteria for a maximum of 100 marks ni rok exam maronai 100 mark ni hingke ora jaga ni ni rok nai neledi teman-teman ni kuis omo syllabus tong hingke orientation to assess of police omo kaisa syllabus bon kaisa topic ha hingke te bon pore ke ability to maintain vigil in order to prevent crime of or law and order problems bo kaisa tongnai hingke ability to observe suspicious activity and all suspicious movement bo haironi tongnai ta hingke ability to read and write in the local language bo haironi tongnai syllabus hingke amoni last date submission ma khainai 13 November 2022 ni bisingo ma khainai hingke boni last date ta hingke niro village of submission of application hingke niro borjaga maronai hingke office in charge of the police station under whom the applicant is an ordinary local police resident hingke niro ni oni OC sub inspector tongnai boni jago nijani local police station thangai maronai bo haita hingke friends songa sujara tente kaisa mongke boni prescription format amono gini ro nironi police station thangai submit ma khaine amono niro apply khaine hingla hangke amono prescription no tabo A4 size paper ke nagi bono xerox kai maronai heke niro amono fill up thage or jaga submit ma khaine tande oni SC/ST pong haike dokumen submit ro bo haike ambai baksake dali maronai police station mungkin niro ni apply ni ta mungkin niro tomo bahake makane kita ni passport size photo nangnai bon koreke or one number suja tomo ID number or ID number to be filled by office or jaga niro musa suya na ya pro office ni si pro office ni ta or chenar na ya sang nai por musa ni jaga mungkin name in fill in capital letter or jaga niro ni bomo masui nai block letter tabo capital letter beta ke gender ke jalang ke male suji kuring ke female suji masuk ke date of birth ke nini date of birth suji ke father name nin baba ni bomo mother name ke ni naman bomo ke mobile number suji ke email number email ID suji bon pare ke present address suji ta nini pura jaga tong bahara tong nini pura address ro dita ke permanent address bor jaga ni same pa ke permanent address bo bhai ke ro ke 10 number ke category ko ke SIM to ke ST to ke or ST ko pilih kai ro mo right china ro dita ke religion ke nini tomator mo khai tong bahara or jaga ke marital status ke kaisa ke married ni ro de kaisa ko ke unmarried ni ro dita ke 13 number ke identification mark itu tang ini borja ho jok to bahara chin ma or jaga masui ni tang ke nini black mall bahara masui ni tang nini borja ga jok to back side to bahai je jok ni tomani bahai chin no masui ni ar jok no hangke english by black mall ta ke voter ID number masui ni or jaga ma bosanai ke other number bon pore ke educational qualification hangke ta boni ni pono xerox kai marone no bus class ara pore ka bahara marone ta kete 17 hangke ni computer certificate hangke NCC certificate hangke or jaga ma bosanai hangke lak paitha go hangke full signature hota candidate or jaga ni signature maranai hangke bon pore ke date box ati boni ke village hangke no por jaga ho amo police station ni or jaga tuidu hisu friend song amo kita boni ro box agai roi mara sinai ta amo kita ngiro ni village hangke asuk jara tin jotonan hambai